Assalamu alaikum. Today is our 12th online lecture and it's about inductor and inductance. But before this lecture, I want to discuss about our previous example. Last time in the lecture, I gave you an example to solve. This was that example, and let me open the. Okay, this was the example I gave to you, in which you have to solve these resistors which are in series and parallel. So there are total 1 2 3 4 5 resistors are there, and we have to check that which resistors are in series with each other and which are in parallel to each other. So that was a simple formula last time I told you. If the starting point of if the ending point is connected with the starting point, then this means they are in series, like this one and this one. They both are in series with each other. Why? Because the ending point of one is connected with the starting point of another. So let's start. First we have to I told you, if we take from the right side, then it will be much okay. So first of all, we will take these two, 4 kilo ohm and 8 kilo ohm. So both these 4 kilo ohm and 8 kilo ohm, 4k 8k, and in series resistor we just add that. So the answer is 8 plus 4 12. Similarly, now these two resistors are in parallel with each other, so we will take the reciprocal. 12 into 12 divided by 12 plus 12, the answer will be 6 kilo ohm. So now the last remaining three are 6 4 and 6. So 6 and 4, they both are in series with each other, so we will just add them and it will be 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now the remaining two are 10 kilo ohm and 6 kilo ohm resistor. We take the reciprocal for that. 6 into 10 divided by 6 plus 10. So the answer is 3.75 kilo ohm. So the total resistance of this circuit is 3.75. So in this circuit we see that if you will get a complicated circuit like this, where we have a number of resistors, so we can solve those by one. You can start from the right side, but right side is better. You can start from the right side, take two resistors and solve for circuit. So such type of examples will come in your exams also, and you have to practice such type of examples from internet, from your book, from your notes, from everywhere. You have to take care of such type of examples. Oh, okay. In next part we will start our lecture.